Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. So today's video is talking about, what I would do if I was starting over from scratch. So I've been doing this digital marketing, business for about 4 years and about 11 months. It's going to be 5 years relatively quickly, but I've observed a lot of things, made a lot of mistakes, and I've made some pretty good successful moves. But there's always room for improvement, and if I had known the things that I know now back when I first started, I could probably be a lot farther than where I am now. So, first thing if I was starting over would be I would learn exactly what the market wanted from day one. That would be my only, goal. Step two, after I know exactly what they wanted, I would go and make some video content to be able to only talk about what people wanted. Step number three, I would then go and I would start reaching out to the market in a way that allows them to go see that video content to start setting traps for the people who, are struggling and really want to, solve the problem that I help solve. Next thing I would do is I would go and get as many people as possible who have, just people following them to go and mention my name on their social media profiles. In SEO, they call it backlinks. In my line of work, we just call it just shout outs and mentions. As many as possible. Okay? But notice how I didn't say that at first. It's very important for you to be able to go get attention, but, you have to have the right things that you're saying before you start getting attention, or else you just waste it and people just don't care, right, when they see what you're saying. After that, the next thing I would do is I would start to learn how to hold people's attention for long periods of time. Now, long periods of time can be relative. Some people are ready to buy today. Some people are ready to buy tomorrow. It just depends for each individual person. But I would have to get as many people as possible to start playing those odds, so I can have a good mix of people who are ready, today, and people who are going to be ready for the next 2 years. So I'll be able to consistently have new people coming in the door for me. Okay. After that, after I learn how to control attention and send attention where I want to go, I would then create some products and services that these people actually want and will actually help them. That's it. And then once you have that first system running that I just talked about, then I would throw some ads into the beginning of the first system to go get even more attention. That is it. Now, if you want another system, that's what you guys can get when you go join my group. So that is one of the systems that we use to help our clients go and get, income the fastest way possible for them. Okay, it doesn't take a lot of strategy, a lot of formula. All it takes is a little bit of focus and, just some trial and error for learning how to find out what people want and learning how to actually find your voice and create your message. Once you do that, though, it's very, very, very easy to start getting people to care about what you say and start getting people to notice. But, some people like a step-by-step way to do so. If that's what you've been searching for, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. The reason why I say that is because, when I was first starting, I knew all about, marketing and all these different things where it's like, okay, so the basic premise is you get people on the email list and then you just keep trying to get them to, go to your videos or buy something from you. Or, you create a course, you put the course on a website, and then, you hope people buy from you. Or you build a website, and then, nobody comes. So everybody knows exactly what you're supposed to do. The trick is how to actually tweak it enough times to when it starts to work for you. And that's why doing step-by-step examples and step-by-step instruction from someone like me, inside of our group who's been there and actually has done that, made it work, is beneficial to a lot of people. So if that's something that you've been searching for, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. Hopefully you had a great day. Hopefully that when you start to actually get this to work, life is a lot better when your business works. It's not just about the money. It's more about, you feel better because you're impacting a lot of people. You start to matter in the greater world, in the greater scheme of things because you're helping other people reach their goals. You're no longer having to work for someone else. You're no longer having to, I hate to say it, have a job for someone else, for the rest of your life. That's really what we try and do for our clients and what we've done for ourselves. For example, people, whenever you go back for Christmas, if you're an entrepreneur, a lot of your either grandparents or older people in your family are like, you don't have a job? What do you mean you don't have a job? You make how much? But you don't have a job. Yeah, I know. Wait, so what do you do? I like make videos, and I show people how to like go get people to want to buy what they have, and then that's it. What do you mean? What? How do you do that? I just told you. But and they're like, wait. So you can work wherever you want? What do you mean? I do everything over the computer. So, I was on vacation on Florida last week, and I was still getting paid and not really having to do that much work while I was on vacation. What do you mean? So if you don't work, you still get paid? Yeah. And then their minds are just blown. It's like that's why I started a business, because I didn't want to have to go to work and clock in every day. And, if I wanted to go and relax one day, then I could do that, and I wouldn't have to worry about getting yelled at by a boss or something. I don't really have to deal with people yelling at me because I don't have my own boss. I guess I am my boss, but I'm pretty nice to myself because I get things done. If that's something that you've been kind of searching for and you just haven't been able to make it work for you, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to share this video with someone who can benefit from the information as well. Have a great day. See you later. Take it easy. Talk to you soon. Turning